tonight, a bombshell audit by State Comptroller Tom DiNapoli.
He says the state health department wasn't transparent in its reporting of coronavirus deaths at nursing homes.
And the report claiming some of the inaccuracies were actually deliberate.
News 12's Kevin Vesey joining us live in the newsroom with a breakdown of that audit. Pretty big stuff in there, Kevin.
Oh, absolutely, Doug. And you know, this is yet another report that alleges former Governor Cuomo's administration and his health department drastically undercounted the number of nursing home deaths caused by COVID. Now, in total, the comptroller found that the health department failed to account for more than 4,000 lives lost.
It's a gut punch.
Vivian Zayas' 78-year-old mother died of coronavirus after undergoing rehab at a West Islip nursing home. Since then, she's been fighting for transparency amid allegations that the state's nursing home death numbers were inaccurate.
We've been what we call kicked to the curb on many occasions, despite our continual requests that an investigation be held.
Tonight, she feels vindicated after this audit was released by State Comptroller Tom DiNapoli. The report says the New York Department of Health undercounted COVID nursing home deaths, sometimes deliberately and by as much as 50%. From April of 2020 until February of 2021, the audit alleges the department failed to account for approximately 4,100 lives lost due to COVID. DiNapoli claims the department sometimes skewed data to meet former Governor Cuomo's narrative that New York was leading the country in the battle against the virus.
This bombshell basically proves that we have no way to know how many of our loved ones perished.
The comptroller's findings back up a report released by Attorney General Letitia James last January. The report also identified early shortcomings in infection control and other COVID mitigation efforts. The health department issued a 13-page response, which says, in part, the department disagrees with the draft report's conflation of transparency concerns that have been raised regarding the prior administration's public disclosures of COVID-19 information.
Well, Kevin, of course, a big question tonight. What is former Governor Cuomo saying?
Right. So, Mackenzie, Cuomo himself did not comment, but his spokesperson says this is not news because the Attorney General's report came out last January with similar information. He then questioned the timing of the audit, and he implied that politics could be involved. Mackenzie, Doug?